Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. The price of Shiba Inu has dropped by the biggest proportion this year, and its volatility is rising. Traders can use technical indicators and traditional price action approaches to predict both bullish and bearish events according to this analysis. The price of Shiba Inu saw its biggest red day of the year, with the digital meme coin dropping 11% over the day. The price is approaching a previously defined trend line, which will influence the token's future price movement. Traders should anticipate a further slide if the bulls do not offer support at the current level. We will discuss the Shiba Inu CEO's plan to send SHIB to $10 overnight in this video. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. The current price of Shiba Inu is 0.000011234. Every day, the bears try to create a candlestick close below the 21-day simple moving average. If it works, it would be the first indication that the general upward trend that started in the final week of December is finished. However, the possibility of the uptrend continuing remains. The present price is returning to levels of support with positive divergence from the previous consolidation zone around 0.0000105, according to the Relative Strength Index, RSI. Therefore, in the long run, the current decline may be seen as a purchasing opportunity. The entire upswing is vulnerable to liquidation if the RSI drops below the 40 mark. The August high at 0.000001800, which would represent a 45% price increase from SHIB's current market value, is the next significant level of interest for bulls to target. Conversely, the bears who joined the market close to the recent swing high at 0.00000011575 would probably begin increasing their positions if the RSI did fall below 40. This could lead to a selling frenzy that targets the area around 0.0000078, which was the starting point of SHIB's winter rise. A 36% drop from the present Shiba Inu price is possible under the bearish scenario. During a big multi-million-dollar collection spree, a cryptocurrency venture business has acquired billions of Shiba Inu coins. Jump Trading, a Chicago-based trading company, has seen its SHIB holdings increase rapidly from 250,000 on February 4th to slightly over 130.7 billion, according to new data from blockchain search engine Etherscan. Jump Trading, which is regarded as one of the smallest hedge funds, currently possesses almost $1.7 million worth of SHIB after acquiring the dog-themed meme currency. According to its most recent earnings report, the platform manages assets of approximately $150 million. But according to the research, Jump Trading might have an even bigger portfolio than what is publicly declared because it might have assets like cash or real estate that aren't made public. Shiba Inu's price decline coincides with the hedge fund's binge buying, as it continues to decline from its 7-day high of 0.00005 to its current price of 0.000013. The dogecoin rival has dropped almost 4% over the past day. As the second largest cryptocurrency held by Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu-related whale activity has been increasing in 2023, according to a recent study by the crypto analytics site Santiment. Santiment claims that the world's 5,000 largest Ethereum whales currently possess a staggering 50,095,077,716,073 SHIB, which is slightly more over $735 million. The rate at which the entire supply of SHIB tokens is depleted is known as the Shiba Inu burn rate. Token burn, a technique that sends some of the tokens to a public address without a known private key, is used to accomplish this. This lowers the total supply and essentially takes the tokens out of circulation. The first token distribution for SHIB was intended to resemble the actions of a conventional stock with a limited quantity. To prevent token inflation, the project's creators locked away half of the token supply after burning the other half. The burn rate of SHIB has decreased dramatically in recent months, according to Glassnode data. By January 2023, the rate had dropped to just 3% from over 8% in December 2021. A number of reasons, including the significant sell-off of SHIB tokens and the issuance of fresh tokens from the locked supply, are probably to blame for this decline in the burn rate. In the past day, the SHIB burn rate has fallen by 99.13%, from burning over 20 million SHIB tokens to burning only 205,000. This is in accordance with SHIB burn data. The burn rate's overall performance in relation to the price of SHIB is still poor in spite of this drop. Traders may be losing interest in SHIB for a number of reasons. The recent token sell-off, which caused prices to drop from their highest points, is one of the primary causes. Some traders may have cashed out as a result, keeping the gains from their investments. The growing rivalry in the DeFi market is another factor. The number of new DeFi initiatives has increased dramatically in recent months, and each one has its own token. SHIB and other initiatives can lose attention as a result of this heightened rivalry. Lastly, the longevity of SHIB's business strategy may worry certain traders. According to the project's founders, they intend to finance further development with a portion of the locked token supply, but there are questions about how the enterprise will make money and continue to develop in the long run. The value of the cryptocurrency can rise if Shiba Inu tokens are burned to reduce their quantity in circulation. The amount of burning required to achieve a price of 0.001 is a major obstacle, though. With a market value of $5.81 billion and 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, a price of 0.001 requires a reduction in the token supply to 5.8 trillion. A Shiba Inu Discord moderator named Shibainu recently calculated that the gates of shibaswap and the impending Shibarium Layer 2 solution might burn up to 88.8 trillion SHIB tokens each year. According to this estimate, the target price would be reached in roughly 6 years, but achieving this objective might not be as simple as it first appears. Archangel, the leading developer of Shiba Inu, has cautioned against the impractical objective of burning 90% of SHIB tokens. Nearly 99% of the existing token supply would need to be burned in order to reach a price of 0.001. Furthermore, Ryoshi's vision, which is less valuable than SHIB tokens, is used to provide incentives for burning Shiba Inu tokens. This calls into question the motivations behind burning tokens to reduce their supply. Even if SHIB's burn rate has recently decreased, the token's future is still unclear. It's possible that the project could keep expanding and gaining traction, but it's also possible that it will fade into the background of cryptocurrency history. The token might see a comeback in popularity if SHIB's founders are able to overcome their obstacles and keep coming up with new ideas. But doing so will need a lot of work, money, and a clear idea of how the project will develop in the future. Boni has been gathered by whales in preparation for its release. This has resulted in an increase in the asset's price. Because of its 101% increase, Bone's value has more than doubled since the year started. Bone ShibaSwap was now posted to Huobi's official digital asset page. This action made the case for a possible listing stronger. On the official page, the trade and deposit options were prominent, but the deposit page looked dormant and blank. As a result, the exchange has not formally approved Bone's listing, and trading has not yet begun. For a long time, the Shiba Inu army has been anticipating Bone's listing. To celebrate the holiday spirit, the exchange posted a photo of a red-clad Shiba Inu dog in mid-December of last year. Soon, there was conjecture that a possible listing on Bone was imminent. It appears that the exchange is definitely preparing for the same with the most recent page rollout. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you require any other changes, please let me know.